What is up, guys and girls? Today we're gonna be going over today what hold on today we're gonna be making a tutorial on how to make vocal chops in a song, and it's pretty easy. First thing you want to do is match whatever the song's BPM is, match that to your project BPM, okay? And then we're gonna be using a slice tool and this magnetic snap to grid tool. And what we're going to be using is 1/6 steps. Sorry, I got the hiccups. But yeah, so here's a part that I want to, let me just show you real quick in the song. Alright, so that part of the song, I wanted to say, I know, like that. So, I don't know if you can hear it, but yeah. So let me cut the track up. And then you're going to click this pen tool, go ahead and shift click it and pull it down. And then what we're going to do now is click this little wave icon on the top left of the insert and press make unique. Okay, now we're going to be chopping this into all these bars. These are the bars that are 1/6 of a step. We use those to measure our time. So each vocal chop is going to be 2 bars. So now we're going to be making them 2 bars a piece. Hold up. Okay, so let's go ahead and make it like this. Whoa. And then let's go ahead and increase the volume because we can't hear it. Let's just normalize it for the example. Okay. And let's put one over here. And over here. Okay, so we wanted to have it sound like that. And now here's a little trick that we're going to be doing is making another one unique and making this one pan about 20% to the left, or no, 20% to the right. This was a bad video, but whatever. And 20% to the left. And yeah, that's basically how you vocal chop. And to do like a little cool trick with it, here's this. Let's make one over here. And then shift click, drag, shift left click, and then there's a 4 bar. And yeah, that's how it's gonna sound. So if you want to make it sound fancy, go ahead and assign these to a channel insert. So let's just do it real quick. By clicking on one, let's assign it to an empty insert. So we'll assign it over here to like 16. And assign this one over here to channel 16, or track in 16. And let's add some effects on it. So effects that I'd like to add are reverb, chorus, flangus. So let's do phaser. None of the ones that I said. Phaser and a reverb. Let's see how that sounds. Oops. And just to make it easier on yourself, all the ones that are panned to the right, we could change the color of those to make it easier. Color code things. And we'll color code it red. So left are blues, red is right pan. And yeah. So we got these. Let's move these over here again. And let's make it quadruple. And yeah, if you you just mess around with that, make it sound how you want it to sound, as long as they're in bars, like the line meets the end of the insert playlist, whatever. But yeah, this is how mine sounds after you mess around with it. I know you notice. I'm happy 'cause you notice. Yeah, that's it. That's basically what I was trying to make. Hopefully that was a good video. If not, I'll probably redo it and make it more easier for y'all to understand. I think that was easy enough. But yeah, guys, there was a little quick video, and peace. Also, if you want to hear the rest of the song, it'll be in the description box below.